Hi everybody, I'm Asaf from David Systems, and today we have a 5-part series on how to work with WebDigAIRange. And now we'll listen to our product manager, Alexandra Bauer, explaining the different features and giving overview. Alex, take it away.
Welcome to this short introduction video about WebDigAIRange. With WebDigAIRange, you can access your BCS rundowns from anywhere you want, and you can do this using any device that has a web browser installed. That allows you to collaborate on your shows from right where things happen. There's 4 buttons that bring you to the different pages. Depending on the size of your display, they can be located on the left or on the top of your screen. The first one is the Week Overview button. It looks like a calendar and it brings you to the week overview. The second one is the Scheduling button. By clicking it, you will get into the current show or back to the show which you've been working on before. For example, if you used another button to get to another page. The third button is the Search button. Using it, you will get to the search page that currently contains a prototype search function which connects to the latest version of the BCS search service. The last button brings you to a visualization of the consistency check results. So let's take a look at the Week Overview page. The administrator can customize if you want to always see the calendar week, like I've configured it here, or if you want to start your week always with the same day. For example, if you started your day always with a Sunday. There's 2 buttons on the top, which toggle between the day overview and the week overview. And then there's buttons to go to the next week or to the previous week. The Today button brings you always back to today.
Okay, Alex, thank you very much for this overview. Coming up, we'll show you how to use scheduling in WebDigAIRange. That's it for now, and don't forget David Systems, listening in action.